Hi, today we will be presenting American Airlines brand strategy, and our team consists of Crystal, Dennis, Raj, Yael, Dana, and Sunday. We are going to begin our presentation by covering the current state of the American Airlines brand, and then we will discuss our approach to developing a brand strategy. Finally, we will discuss our brand strategy, including a reward strategy that revolves around a social loyalty program and strategic partnerships. And finally, a recognition strategy that focuses on social media engagement initiatives. The American Airlines brand value has decreased in recent years. Marketing research reveals that customers view American Airlines less positively than its closest competitors. In order to build its brand, American Airlines must work to differentiate its brand. A sound marketing strategy revolving around reward and recognition will enhance the American Airlines brand. The strategy focuses on several key areas: social loyalty, strategic partnerships, and social media engagement initiatives. Compared to its closest competitors, American Airlines, shown in red, has a relatively low brand value. A recent merger between United and Continental has increased the total brand value of the two companies. Furthermore, American Airlines has experienced a decrease in brand value in recent years. Therefore, American Airlines must pay special attention to its brand strategy. Our Tepper team conducted a survey on the perceptions of American Airlines, Delta, and United Continental. The survey results reveal that customers view American Airlines as inferior to its closest competition. American Airlines should improve its brand value by improving its brand image. Overall, all three airlines have room for improving customer perceptions. The Calder and Reagan brand design model for American Airlines shows an overview of associations and describes their meaningful and relevant values. This model is divided into verbal and visual communication sections, and inside there are more specific branches. American Airlines logo illustrates an eagle in between two colors, blue and red. In this way, it differentiates itself from its competitors. The red, white, and blue stripes on its aircraft show the American colors, and its silver body-based aircraft have been a signature to their visual competitive edge. The verbal section is divided into naming, wording, and description. Millions of people can relate to the name American Airlines in a way that says the company belongs to their country. Surrounding its name are words such as global, connected, efficient, and seamless that give character to its brand. Living up to its words is important to give American Airlines and its name a perspective for its customers. By doing what they say they can do, these words and characteristics form a personality. In American Airlines' case, the company says it is a global citizen. Frequent travelers include those who fly frequently for work and want tips on how to get the lowest airfares and plan the best corporate retreats. They tend to participate in frequent flyer programs and read articles on business travel. These travelers often use their computers in multiple countries. Based on the primary and secondary research conducted, our team discovered that over the last few decades, American Airlines has been targeting the wrong segment. American Airlines has perceived its target customer to be an affluent mid-50s Caucasian male, thus focusing the majority of its promotional and marketing activities to appeal to this segment. However, through analyzing survey results, our team has come to learn that in reality, frequent travelers encompass both men and women between the ages of 25 and 64 in different income brackets. While this segment represents only 10% of American Airlines customers, it generates over 46% of American Airlines revenues. Therefore, it is important for American Airlines to begin modifying its initiatives to target the correct segment, which can help increase loyalty and ultimately drive revenue. The Kano model describes three functions to increase presence and customer satisfaction: basic attributes, performance attributes, and delightful attributes. We begin with basic must-be attributes. The red line is the must-be function, which flattens off as it reaches natural customer satisfaction. These attributes do not bring anything above the natural satisfaction level because these are the expected features of a business. In American Airlines' case, transporting people to different cities is its basic function. Other basic expectations for American Airlines include safety, security, and baggage transport. Without these business activities, customers will quickly become dissatisfied with the company's services. To increase customer satisfaction, American Airlines, like any other airline, must look for ways to increase its performance attributes, such as adding new routes, and its delight attributes such as additional perks and services. BAV Consulting has a brand evaluation application that measures a company by the basic elements of brand strength and brand stature, using the variables of energized differentiation, relevance, esteem, and knowledge. Using this application, we again evaluate American Airlines, United, and Delta. Looking at the pillar graphs, it is clear that the three airlines have brands that are not differentiated. Accordingly, these airlines, especially American Airlines, are lacking in brand strength. Therefore, all three fall into the fatigue quadrant on the bottom right of the power grid. A brand that falls in this quadrant is often fighting for survival. From this analysis, we conclude that American Airlines must differentiate itself from its competitors in order to build its brand. Given the analysis of the current state of the American Airlines brand, we developed a strategic approach to differentiate the brand in order to increase brand value. First, we completed a marketing analysis by conducting customer surveys and by utilizing secondary research. From this research, we analyzed the data to find insights and to determine the key drivers of customer satisfaction. From the results, we developed a three-pronged strategy to build the American Airlines brand. The next step is for American Airlines to execute the strategy based on our recommendations and suggested next steps. Surveys and secondary research were conducted to better understand the customer. From the surveys and secondary research, key insights were derived. From the surveys we conducted, we found that brand, loyalty program, and price influenced buying behavior. Also, check-in speed and convenience were desirable at security and self-kiosks. Furthermore, we learned that while American Airlines is a well-recognized brand, it scores less favorably compared to its peers. From the secondary research, we learned that social media is increasingly important to brand value and customer engagement, and that frequent flyers are more likely to use social media than the average adult. We also learned that customers tend to follow their favorite airlines using various social media channels. Using the insights from market research, we considered the inputs of loyalty program, speed and convenience, customer engagement, social media, and competitor activities to develop a brand strategy focused on reward and recognition. Successful execution of the brand strategy will lead to an enhanced brand for American Airlines. The frequent flyer lifecycle is an important concept that airlines must understand if they wish to create effective campaigns designed to drive differentiation and loyalty. With today's increase in use of technology and social media, this phenomenon has increased the frequent flyer's ability to communicate, share, and influence each other. The frequent flyer life cycle has 5 stages: dream, plan, book, travel, and share. For American Airlines to help frequent flyers develop positive associations with the American Airlines brand, which will help enhance loyalty and differentiation, successful strategies are only those that will touch some, if not all, of the phases of the frequent flyer life cycle.